If you're looking to learn how to add bills to Xero using Hubdoc, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you the easiest, most efficient way to get this done. Whether you're new to Xero or just starting to use Hubdoc, stick around, because I'll also share some tips that can save you time and make your accounting process smoother. And by the way, you can use this software for completely free by following the first link in the description for our exclusive bonuses, so make sure to check that out. When you're managing bills in Xero, using Hubdoc can make your life a whole lot easier. Hubdoc is designed to help you automatically pull in your bills, receipts, and other financial documents, so they can be seamlessly integrated into Xero. No more manually entering bill details one by one, saving you a ton of time and reducing errors. To start adding bills to Xero using Hubdoc, the first thing you need to do is connect your Hubdoc account to Xero. This is a simple process. Once you've signed up for Hubdoc and logged in, you'll find an option to link your Xero account. Hubdoc will guide you through the steps, and once you're connected, you can start uploading documents immediately. Now let's talk about how to upload bills into Hubdoc. You have multiple ways to do this. You can upload a document manually by clicking the Upload Document button in Hubdoc and selecting your file. Or if you have receipts and bills coming into your email, you can simply forward them to your unique Hubdoc email address, which Hubdoc assigns to you. This way, your documents will automatically show up in your Hubdoc dashboard. Once your bills are uploaded to Hubdoc, Hubdoc will automatically read and extract key data like the vendor name, invoice date, and total amount using OCR technology. This is where Hubdoc really shines. It automatically pulls this information so you don't have to enter it manually. After Hubdoc has processed your bills, you can review the extracted data. Make sure everything looks correct. If it's all accurate, you can then push the bill over to Xero. To do this, you simply click the Publish button in Hubdoc, and Hubdoc will automatically create a draft bill in Xero with all of your extracted details, ready for you to review or approve. One of the best parts about using Hubdoc with Xero is that it automatically attaches the digital version of your bill to the transaction in Xero. This means when you're reviewing your bills in Xero, you can easily access the original document by clicking on the transaction. This makes it super easy to keep everything organized. If you're looking to make the process even more automated, you can set up Hubdoc's recurring bills feature. This is perfect for bills that you pay every month, like utilities or subscriptions. Hubdoc will recognize the recurring pattern and automatically generate a draft bill for you every time that bill comes through, so you don't have to do anything. In just a few simple steps, you've added bills to Xero using Hubdoc, and your accounting process is already looking more streamlined. It saves time, reduces errors, and ensures you stay organized, all while being incredibly easy to use. If you're still watching, then you're ready to take your Xero and Hubdoc game to the next level. Don't forget, by using the link in the description below, you can access this software for free with exclusive bonuses, so you can start saving time and simplifying your finances right away. Remember, you can take advantage of the extended free trial and experience the full capabilities of Hubdoc and Xero. With just a few clicks, you can set up your entire accounting workflow to work seamlessly together. That's all for today. Start using Hubdoc and Xero to take the hassle out of your bill management, and let me know in the comments how it's working for you.